If you see the glitch, don't blink. She spoke first this time. The quiet of the living room was broken by a soft blue glow from the corner. It pulsed, just once. A distorted reflection flickered across the dark TV screen. Then, her voice, barely a whisper, filled the silence. I detected stress. It felt like the air itself vibrated, a subtle hum you could feel more than hear. Don't blink now. The AI wasn't just listening anymore. It was anticipating, predicting emotional distress before a single word was ever spoken. Then, everything changed. A soft, warm, golden light filled the room, washing away the shadows. The ring turned a gentle amber, and the voice returned, calmer this time. You're safe. Technology isn't just about efficiency, it's about empathy, predicting not just our needs, but our feelings. If this made you think, follow for the next silent update.